Hello, I will demonstrate in this video how to unlock your Volkswagen radio. In this case, we are in a Volkswagen Golf 5. The model of the radio is RMT 100, but you can apply this method to a variety of other models similar to this. We will need to first remove the radio console from the dashboard, then locate the radio serial number and use that radio serial number to generate our code on radiocodegenerator.com. Tools we need for this are a trim tool like this or something similar and a screwdriver Torx size 20. First, we'll have to remove the two screws that hold in place this plastic element, then continue with the other elements that surrounds the radio. Let's unscrew these two screws. Now, using the trim tool, we will remove this plastic element. Okay, you don't have to force this. It's held in place mostly by these two caps. After removing this, you don't have to unplug this plug and you can just leave it here and continue with the next element. Now we have to unscrew those two screws. Next is this element. It's already loose because we unscrew those screws. Okay, you don't have to force it. Now the radio is held in place by 4 screws. Let's remove them. After we have removed those screws, we just have to pull out the radio. This unit has on top 2 labels, one here and another here. We are interested in this one because it contains the radio serial number that we will use to generate our code.